Hi there, Dr. Davis, spine specialist, orthopedic surgeon, here to talk about 5 ways to have a healthy neck or back. In no specific order, let's start with number 1. Don't smoke, don't vape. Smoking has a lot of bad consequences for your overall health, but when we're talking about the neck or the back, it decreases blood flow to the intervertebral discs, which are located between the vertebrae, the bones. And when the discs don't get good blood flow, the tissue inside the disc start to die, you lose your shock absorbers, and then you start getting more pain. Number 2, proper posture and sitting. It's important to make sure you hold your head and neck in an appropriate position. With your head very flexed forward or extended back, there's excessive strain on the discs, vertebrae, which are the bones and the muscles in your neck, causing excessive pain and even accelerated wear. Sitting, something that we tend to do more than we want to in life, is really a significant stressor on your lower back. It's important to sit with the right mechanics. If at all possible, try to sit with your back supported. Support in your lower back will take pressure off the intervertebral disc between the vertebrae, maintaining their health and trying to minimize low back pain. Proper lifting techniques. Make sure whenever you have to lift something heavy, whether it's out of the trunk of a car or off the floor, that you hold whatever you're lifting close to your body, and if you're picking it up from the floor, bend down with your knees so you're not reaching over or holding objects far away from your body. The farther you hold an object away from your body, the more strain it puts on your spinal column, causing damage. Next, keep moving. It's important to exercise for a healthy neck or back. When you exercise, your body releases endorphins. These are chemicals in the bloodstream which act like natural painkillers, and that helps offset any back pain that you may be experiencing from an underlying condition or from the activity that you just participated in. Exercises that would be good for your back health would include things such as swimming, biking, and running on a softer surface. Even things like yard work where you're keeping your body moving and getting your heart rate up can all be good treatments for neck or back conditions. The final way to keep your back and neck healthy is to manage stress. When you're under stress, your muscles tighten and lock up, and that decreases the movement in your neck and back. That lack of movement causes excessive stress and strain on the spinal column, and it results in pain. If you can find good stress management techniques, that's another way to help minimize or eliminate neck or back pain. If you're under stress, do something to change it up. First, if you can change the stressful environment or take a different perspective, that can help. But if you can't do that, get up, move around, stretch, and a lot of times that'll make things better. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. If you have ways to help with neck or back pain, drop a comment below. I'm Doc Davis, spine specialist and orthopedic surgeon. I got your back.